After a long wait, we are back for Season 5 with the first ever event of the league, the Gravitrax relay. You see here, the Grasshopper Stadium always packed. Who'll win? And you see Cinnabots will be our first contender. Goal to get the fastest time. The team will push down like this, and the second mile was across the lane. You'll end the time, so 484 will be our first time to beat. Ice Chippers now, who had a mediocre season last season, and they go backwards start off, and now they're starting. Ice Chippers had a mediocre season. 96 basically. You know, the Red Peppers, who trashed in last season to the town, started off so good, but then fell to the back. 92. Third. Now, Green Lions, who basically only saved themselves from the last couple of top halves they had. If they didn't, then they wouldn't be here today. So I want to try to get a good time here. And they won! 62! Now we'll take the lead. Now we got Border Chaos, who bailed off just because of the final event. They was allowed to be back. Oh! That's invalid! Dead last for Border Chaos. Medicine won Shinova, but not coordinated. Arrow was Border Chaos. But now we have the Sweet and Sours. And now we got second with 78. That's good. No, Snowballs, who actually had a good season last season, they ended up 7th overall. They're low. They do well here, and they will. There's another second place, 77. Our next team is the Hornets, who got actually second overall in the showdown last year. And they we had all the chaos good. They actually at least had a time. Well, yeah. That's no good. No. How about them? Mediocre. Well, they end up third here. So maybe they move the in their head now. Now, how are Team Mayhem, who came 10th in the overall? No medals. No medals here. And so far, they were good for 14th. There's no disco balls. Here they come. Ready to party. Very slow to start off. Now it's going to be second last. Disco balls want to qualify again, so they can have another chance at redeeming themselves. But now, here comes the mountain climbers. They will get a time of 6. The Flashes. The Flashes don't actually have an actual team, so the Rangers Marbles have to help them. Flashes down the course here, and 8. Hey, the top half. So, no complaint there. The Ketchups, who want to qualify. They came 8th last season. So, and it's fair. Quicksilvers. Can they be stupid quick here today? Yes, they will. Oh, they're super quick, and that's gonna be third. They're on the podium. It's only the Ocean, so you can stop them now. Ocean came 5th overall, barely missing the auto qualification. There was nothing like a decent start here. But oh, they lost it in the final sector and they will get 5th. Oh man. They lost it. They lost it. That means the Green Lions won the goal. Snowballs will get Snowballs 7, Quicksilver 3rd. Now start season 5 with a kick. We'll be back again next time for event number 3. The uphill drag. We'll see you for that. Let's see how season 5 will go.